are tearing into Shannon's Tahoe build, starting the tear down, tearing into it, tearing it down, taking all the stock stuff off. I don't know what to say. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Behind me we have one of the LB Motorsports SEMA builds for 2021. That is Shannon's Tahoe. But you guys see me powder coat the bulletproof suspension on a couple videos ago. So today we're gonna start the tear down. Let's get into it.
Oh my god.
Intermission.
Oh my god.
Hey, are you doing this?
Gotta get my bitch mittens on, you know what I'm saying?
Wow.
JC says I'm gonna mess up my nails.
You look like me.
Yeah.
My hands look like this, or her tits can look like that.
It's so fucking dog.
Comes this way. You pull
Oh,
it.
okay. I'm about to have an aneurysm.
What's when you poop yourself?
Okay, you can do it.
Wow.
The little puppy intermissions are the best.
I told you that was way more fun to play on that one.
You want me to get it?
I don't know if you can get it from
I
there.
can see it.
Can't get on there very well. Leave it open there.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to use the big one.
Go ahead and pop these two off.
Are they that?
Take that off.
You can do it. I believe in you, bro.
Oh my god.
You f***ing did it. What did I say, bro?
Wow.
What did I f***ing say?
Not great though. That's a real in itself.
What a capable queen.
Seven, 9 or what? Yeah. I thought that one too,
Oh,
but-
that was juicy.
Not all the beans, one bean, a single bean. This doesn't have a direction on it, right?
No, it's a solid water. Impact or whatever up.
Watch what way it goes.
So you gotta push down.
Well, I know I gotta go down.
You need at least one of my beans?
No,
Okay,
she
that
can
was
do
weird.
it,
Well, I'm
bro.
gonna
She
give
can.
it a
I won't
try.
say that again, that was just weird.
You wanted me to give you one of my beans?
Just one.
Let me just move this before you break it.
Oh, good call, good call. That might help a little bit. There's just no good way, like look at this step. Like if I get under here.
Use it to help it.
Am I gonna hurt myself in the face? Like is it gonna break in the face? Thanks, Vega. Lean up on this bitch. Is it gonna hit me in the face though? Like this isn't, that's not a lesson I want to learn the hard way. Is it gonna hit me in the face? Like is it gonna hit me in the face? Oh, it's picking.
You didn't do anything, I promise. You just slipped off the bolt. You want me to give her a try?
Yeah, that was my whole body weight I had. Is that funny? I'm gonna make you go jump on it. He just does it in like 2 seconds.
I'm hoping he really just did. He really just did.
I loosened it up for him. Right, Vega.
I was on the bottom one. You were on the top one.
Oh, I was on the top one. Okay. Did you get it?
Yeah.
I probably loosened it up a little bit.
Alright.
Oh, he says oh. Did you just fart?
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little loose.
Well, this whole... It has to be tightened?
No.
This whole time I was trying to push down. I don't understand. It has to go up?
Yes.
Well, I was doing it fucking wrong the whole time. So you mean this whole time I had to go up?
Yeah.
Well, no wonder I couldn't get it.
Are you good, bro?
I'm slightly offended that I've been going the wrong way the whole time. And here we are. Oh.
Oh.
Fine.
Did you dump it upside down again?
Yeah. I didn't learn my lesson.
I wouldn't expect you to learn.
That's rude.